Go ahead, open the gate. Not that clever, are you? Well, as you see, it's still not growing back very quick. Hey, pisser, come on. Come on. This way. And there is the Inmos factory, microchips and some sort of technology shite. Apparently some people that work there see there's enough in there, chemicals and whatever, to total half a Newport in there somewhere. So we have been evacuated once because they had a chemical leak, and it was something like 10 o'clock at night. We was ordered out of the house, our own house. You're ordered out, and we went up my daughter's to crash for the night. It's not on, is it? I was the last to leave, of course, because, you know, I'm fucking bullheaded. But yeah, and that's why we like. You see, there's no trees here whatsoever now. That's why we like our trees, to protect us from that shit, whatever they're growing over there. Out to stand on water. Yeah, this is another place killed by health and safety. They got rid of the boats. Health and safety. Used to be able to hire a boat, you know, and have a paddle around for an hour. Gone. Two lakes. There's one up Cambran as well. That's, the boats are gone. Welcome to Jurassic Park. This is 5 minutes from my doorstep. Used to be absolutely fantastic. Now it's a fucking shit tip.
I'm from far away, I'm a banana, but wearing my yellow coat all day. I'm a banana, come and say you'll wear your yellow coat all day. Hey, 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 hey. I'm a banana, I come from far away. I'm a banana, but wearing my yellow coat all day. I'm a banana, come and say you'll wear your yellow coat all day. Hey, hey, hey. I'm a banana, I come from far away. I'm a banana, but wearing my yellow coat all day.